Hello teacher. Learn to convert Word to PDF in MS Word and ensure your documents are in a format that is easy to share and view by all. Step 1. Open the Word document you want to convert to a PDF. Step 2. Click on File in the top menu. Step 3. Select Export and then choose Create PDF or XPS. Step 4. In the Publish as PDF or XPS window, choose a name and location for the PDF file and click Publish. With this skill, you can share class materials, assignments, and other important documents in a format that is accessible to everyone, regardless of the software they have installed on their devices. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.